The oldest known steam room was built in 2500 BC in the Indus Valley in Pakistan. Later, in 300 BC, steam baths became a vital part of Roman society. Only in the past few years, the concept of general wellness has become mainstream in U.S. culture. From corporations and universities to the individual, wellness programs and infrastructure are booming. The clinically proven benefits of saunas and steam bathing have brought these products to the forefront of the wellness movement. Many reports, including the Global Wellness Summit, now cite sauna and steam rooms as a top wellness trend. While steam bathing is enjoying a 21st century renaissance, steam rooms are still produced in the same manner as they were 2,000 years ago. Most ancient inventions have evolved with technology. Smoke signals and carrier pigeons have gone the way of email and smartphones. The horse and buggy has gone the way of automobiles and airplanes. It's kind of silly that when it comes to steam rooms, manufacturers are still stuck in the old inefficient and unsanitary paradigm of tile steam rooms. When surveying facility operators, without exception, they will cite steam rooms as one of the biggest maintenance challenges they face. Unlike a sauna, which is a dry heat room averaging 180 degrees, steam rooms are highly humid rooms, maintaining average temperatures of 105 to 110 degrees. Turns out, germs love the warm, moist environments that steam rooms offer. Combine this environment with the endless traffic of carriers, people, huddled into a room constructed with porous tile and grout, and you have the ideal petri dish for bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoa, mold, mildew. You get the idea. Today, most commercial facilities are engaged in a daily warfare against these threats to human health and generally accepted standards of sanitation. Most tactics include excessive daily use of chemicals and man-hours. In many cases, such an approach trades one health threat, germs, for another, toxic chemicals. The problems associated with these traditional tile steam rooms became so significant that in the early 2000s, several of the top fitness chains eliminated steam rooms from their facilities. Due to increasing consumer demand, however, these clubs are bringing steam rooms back. As the oldest and largest U.S.-owned manufacturer of saunas and steam rooms for over 50 years, AmFin had a front-row seat to the steam room wars being waged in the field. In pursuit of a new energy-efficient steam room design, AmFin engineers realized that the new design approach and material selection could also mitigate the age-old sanitation and maintenance challenge of traditional steam rooms. The result is a 50% more energy-efficient steam room, made from antimicrobial solid surfaces and a chemical-free automated sterilization system. So let's compare the old design. Thick CMU walls absorb heat, which is inefficient. Porous tile, stone walls, and grout harbor germs, mold, and mildew. Daily, labor-intensive chemical-based cleaning. You must regrout every 2 to 3 years and retile every 4 to 6 years. Compare that to the new AmFin hybrid steam room design. Exoskeleton wall design retains heat in the steam, which is energy efficient. Solid surface wall design, antimicrobial. PowerZone 400 system automatically sterilizes room at night. Elimination of daily cleaning and toxic chemicals. Recessed steam heads for reduced liability. The drawbacks of traditional tile steam room design are now being revealed to architects and builders who are removed from the daily challenges of facility operations. Complicating things, according to the Redwood Group, steam rooms are an increased area of liability. Lawsuits are on the rise for molestation and inappropriate behavior claims in the steam room environment. However, the advanced hybrid steam room's glass front design with optional wireless panic button significantly mitigates operator risk. So whether you are looking to remodel your inefficient toxic tile steam room or whether you are looking at a brand new installation, AmFin's advanced hybrid steam room is the solution and evolution of the antiquated old paradigm. Join many of the top companies that have already made the switch.